Toolbox Talk, Site Access Fencing Signage. Access fencing signage is required to be visible on site so that it can communicate any dangers that could occur on site and also inform employees and visitors. Hoarding. Hoarding must be of a solid material used to separate construction activities. The principal contractor must install hoarding as deemed required by the building or construction activity. Hoarding should have a minimum height at 1.8 meters. Site signage requirements. Where applicable, the principal contractor must ensure that the construction work permit number is always displayed at all entrances or access points to the construction site. An emergency evacuation diagram of the site must also be compiled, clearly indicating the assembly points and areas of evacuation. Required compulsory PPE signage must be always displayed at the entrance of the site. An up-to-date emergency contact register must be displayed on the notice board, site office, and access gate area. Only persons that have received the induction and have obtained a unique identification may enter the site.